Make sure you're ready for any potential mishaps to reduce stress and enhance employee peace of mind. Let's find out how in this quick video. What's up everyone? My name is Joe Feezer and I am the OG office guy. So if you have seen any of my previous videos, you will know that I have been in the office products industry for a very long time. Over 36 years to be exact. Thanks for taking time to watch this video. For office managers, maintaining a safe working environment should be a major responsibility. There are a variety of safety equipment that every business should have on hand, but here is a list of the necessities that every office should purchase. Even if you don't work in a warehouse or on a construction site where injuries are more likely, a properly equipped first aid bag should always be on hand. Trips, falls, and accidents may occur in the workplace as well, and having a readily accessible first aid kit can make all the difference. The most crucial items to include are those that aid in the treatment of cuts and bruises, such as ice packs and bandages. If there is a fire or tornado, burn dressing and splints will come in helpful. Did you know that a biohazard kit, like a first aid kit, may not appear to be as vital to have in an office area? It's preferable to be over-prepared than under-prepared. When blood spills and other bodily fluids need to be cleaned up, you'll be glad you have a biohazard kit on hand. To keep other employees safe from infections, it's critical to clean these items up correctly. Hey, leave me a comment below and let me know if you actually keep a biohazard kit on site. If there is ever a power outage, having flashlights with new batteries on hand will come in handy. Other emergency lighting sources to highlight exit paths can also be installed as a backup plan in the event of an emergency. These are safety measures that can help you prevent the need for your first aid and biohazard kits. A fire extinguisher is likely one of the first safety elements that businesses install, and it is an important component. A coffee machine or microwave, for example, can spark a fire. As a result, an extinguisher should be kept in areas where a fire is more likely to start. Ensure that all staff understand how to use your fire extinguisher and that it is frequently inspected and filled. Fire alarms and smoke detectors can save lives, and they should be installed in different locations around your company. Keeping a fire diary will come in handy for keeping track of fire alarm and extinguisher maintenance. In the event of a fire, it's also a good idea to keep track of your office's fire escape routes and preparations. You may also want to check out my video, Ensuring Your Company is Safety Compliant Can Be Challenging. I will put a link above for your convenience. The usage of safety cones is another way to avoid having to utilize a biohazard or first aid kit. They'll alert customers to spills on the floor or areas undergoing maintenance where they could be hurt. Safety cones safeguard employees from injury and lower the likelihood of workers' compensation claims. Please have your safety gloves on hand, you will not be sorry. When dealing with hazardous chemicals, body fluids, shattered glass, and any other mishaps that may occur, it is critical to wear gloves. In the office, basic medical gloves as well as cut-resistant safety gloves should be maintained on hand. They'll very certainly be worn when cleaning with your handy biohazard gear to keep you safe. In addition, ladders and stools should be kept in your maintenance closet. They will prevent employees from standing on chairs to reach items in high positions, which could result in damage. This, like the safety cones, is a deterrent to employee injuries and workers' compensation claims. Even a simple step stool can help you avoid a serious accident. Following the events of the previous year, I sincerely hope that every business in the globe is stocked with disinfectant wipes and spray, hand sanitizers, and every other germ-killing product imaginable. The CDC has a fairly specific protocol that your company can use to ensure that all of our surfaces are properly cleansed. Remember to sanitize all electronic equipment and make disinfection supplies readily available to all personnel. Encourage them to disinfect their areas on a regular basis. If you would like to discover the difference and learn how you can partner with the OG Office Guy, please fill out my new customer form below and I will get back with you to discuss your options. If you found this video helpful, please take a second to hit the like button to help the OG channel grow. As always, thanks for watching this video. I am the OG Office Guy.